5:36 sunset, still surprising for some reason.
And the other side too, like you forget you lose daylight. We focus on this side, of course, but like I woke up this morning and it wasn't dark, but it wasn't light.
Right,
either.
it tricks
and I was
you.
like, oh yeah, that's right.
That's happening
It
right
also
now.
tricks my 6-year-old though, and I'm here for that
Ooh,
part
okay.
of it.
Well, sleeping in a little more.
Yeah, a little. I mean, let's not get crazy. It was like 7:15 this morning though.
That's
That's
sleeping
pretty
in.
Good. You guys were already up. I saw the Instagram reels.
Oh, yeah.
This earlier than 7:15. Nice day today. It yeah, you got a shortened day, right? But still kind of a late summer vibe. Temperatures 70 in Wiscasset for a high, 69 in Bangor, 75 in Freiburg. So not as warm as yesterday, but that was such a high bar. And today still 10 degrees or more above average for this time of the year. Nice and clear, there's a lot of sun. Obviously it's dark now. We're seeing some onshore flow creating some fog, and that fog looks to get pretty thick here tonight, especially along the coastline, but really across much of the state by tomorrow morning. We've got fog in place, maybe a little bit of drizzle here. Usually when this model shows you those little dots out the ocean coming onshore, it could be some low-level drizzle. And so it's pretty socked in tomorrow. We start to clear out from west to east, and it takes half the day, I think, over southern coastal Maine to clear out. And it might not happen in Washington and Hancock counties along the coastline. They may be stuck in the fog. The rest of us will clear out to some sun and another warm afternoon, upper 60s and low 70s. Here comes a cold front on Wednesday night into Thursday that looks weaker and weaker. And so we put an isolated sprinkle in the forecast. That's like the lowest version of rain you can put on a 7-day. So most of us will be dry on Wednesday, temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. We do cool down overnight Thursday and into Friday, but keep in mind we have a lot of room here. We were so warm that even to cool down has us average on Friday, upper 50s and a lot of sun. So it's not so bad. It does get more noticeable though, this cool down, when we head into Sunday, because another front's going to come through on Saturday. Once again, that front doesn't have a lot of juice to it. So an isolated shower, especially in the mountains in northern Maine. But once that front comes through our south here, that's when we really cool down on Sunday, to the point where the computer models on Sunday have snow showers into the mountains in northern Maine. And I think we drop a lot of leaves on Sunday, cooler temperatures, plus breezy winds. So I think that will knock some leaves down. It'll be the end of the season within reason, right? It takes a while. Some of those trees don't drop till November, but the good stuff at least. Temperatures down Sunday, Monday, but I'll tell you what, it looks like we recover for mid next week, maybe right around Halloween, which I think is Thursday, I believe. But yeah, not bad. We kind of do this in stepped form. We go, from 70 down to 60 and then down into the 40s on Sunday. And that's really the only chilly day. It is worth noting our overnight lows away from the coast will be in the 20s, probably Sunday night and Monday night, which is not unheard of for this time of the year, but given we just had that summer fling, it might feel like a little bit of a big change there.
Exceptionally noticeable.
Yeah,
for sure.
Okay. Keith, thank you.